Hello from Do Chapter 8, video number 17, page number 15, still pressure, but this time we talk about air pressure that is more interesting. Okay, 气压，更有趣的气压。Okay, air pressure. So if I want to measure the air pressure using Bourdon gauge, 不是巴西没有问过，不过我看过 trial 问过这一题 Bourdon gauge， 没有人会做，当时啦。Bourdon gauge, this is the gauge 就是一个表 to measure the air pressure 量气压的一个表 Bourdon gauge. Okay, what's mean by air pressure? 什么叫气压 ？Page number 15, you are here. 刚才的 Bourdon gauge 抄在这边啊。So 什么叫气压？Where the air pressure come from? 空气怎么有压力的呢？对不对 ？So the kinetic theory of gases state that. 气体的动力原理，它讲什么呢 ？Particle in the matter are always moving and vibrating. 所有的物质的 particle, they are always moving and vibrating. 它们永远都在动着、震动着 ，including the gas, liquid, and solid. Okay, so for example, inside this container, we're having some gas, and gas particle they are always moving and vibrating. 它们永远都在动着、震动着，它们互相的相撞，没有停着 ，never stop. The day then, when they stop, the day may be the last day for us because all the physical theory cannot be applied. 物理的原理全部不能用了。然后那一天我也不知道什么事情会发生。So particle in the matter, they are always moving and vibrating. 它们永远都在动着、震动着，没有停下来的一天。Okay, so gas particle in the closed container. Gas particle 在一个封闭式的容器里面 collide with each other 互相相撞 and also collide with the wall of the container all the time 它一直撞墙壁 so when the air particle collide with the wall 撞墙壁的时候 they produce a pressure 就是一股力量撞着墙壁 they produce a pressure and this is what we call air pressure. So the collision result in air pressure 这种撞击就造成了气压 So 空氣撞牆壁造成的壓力就叫氣壓 Okay, any example? 你看我嘴巴I keep some air in my mouth 我把空氣收在了嘴巴里面 An air particle collide with the wall of my mouth 它撞着我的嘴巴的牆壁And this is the air pressure 里面就产生的压力啦 Okay, so now the simulations of the collision between the moving gas particle in the air with the wall of the container. So now we're making the simulator. Simulator 就是模拟器啦 Okay, 我们模仿空气撞墙壁的那个情况 So now let's say I'm having a football 我有一粒球 And I kick the football towards a wall 我把那粒球呢踢过去撞墙壁 Boom Okay, now when the ball hit on the wall 当那粒球呢撞到墙壁的时候 Boom, it produces a pressure So 这种情况就叫 air pressure 啦 So what is mean by air pressure? Air pressure actually is a force 对不对 Produced when air particle Boom, collide with the wall Okay, when air particle Boom, collide with the wall 造成的一股压力 So 空气撞墙壁造成的压力 We call it as air pressure 那种就叫气压 Okay, so now we go in more detail 我们看更仔细一点点来 page number 15第15面 Okay, air pressure what's mean by air pressure 写仔细一点点 Air pressure is a force per unit area 就是在某某的表面上有多少的力量压着 So air pressure is a force per unit area produced by the collision of the air molecule against the wall of its container. So air particle collide with the wall of the container and a unit of surface area. How much is a force produced? 在某某的表面上多少的力量撞着那个墙壁呢？今天我们讲的是空气的 particle 撞墙壁了。So air pressure is a force produced. It's a force per unit area produced by the collision of the air molecule against the wall of its container 就是空气的几粒撞墙壁的时候造成的那股力量呢就叫 air pressure And scientists measure the air pressure in Newton per square meter 气压如果你要测量你就必须用的单位就叫 Newton per square meter 啦 Same as a pressure 啦跟压力一样的单位 Newton per square meter Okay, or you can call it as Pascal 也可以叫 Pascal 啦。1 Newton per square meter equal to 1 Pascal and can be measured by using the equipment called Barometer gauge， 就用那个气压表 Barometer gauge 来测量。好 ，Again, what is mean by Newton per square meter？OK， 在1平方米的表面上 ，how many Newton of force pressure？ 多少牛顿的力量压着它 ？OK，so Newton per square meter， 1平方米的表面上多少牛顿的力量压着它？这种就叫 air pressure 气压。OK，and now I want to tell you something that you may feel unbelievable， 不值得相信、不可以相信的一句话 ，but you have to believe， 你必须相信。At sea level， 在我们的海面上啊 ，sea level 海面上 ，in our classroom， 在我们的课室 maybe a bit higher than sea level 啦 ，but just a bit only not much different， 几乎没有差别。So at sea level, air pressure is about 100,000 Newton per square meter 啊，我有听错吗？100,000 Newton per square meter， 什么叫100,000 per square meter？ 在1平方米的表面上 ，100,000 Newton。OK， 压着它，哦 100k Newton per square meter， 也可以叫100,000 Pascal， 也可以叫100k Pascal， 什么意思呢 ？You try to imagine， 你自己想象一下啦。OK， 什么叫100,000 Newton per square meter？ 什么意思呢 ？You go back， 你回家，你教你妈咪准备实验。So prepare a piece of code， 准备一块布 1 meter。1 meter. What's mean by 1 Newton? Still remember？ 什么叫1 Newton 啊？1 Newton 就是1粒苹果，大概1粒苹果压在你的头上，对不对 ？So 100,000 Newton per square meter， 在1平方米的表面上有100千粒的苹果。So you go back prepare these experiments. Okay, you prepare a piece of code。And you prepare 100,000 apple， 你准备100千粒的苹果放在那一块布的表面上。So at our sea level， 在我们的海面上啊，它的气压就是100千粒的苹果，大概啦 100,000 apple pressed on one unique surface area pressed on 1 square meter， 100千粒的苹果压在1平方米的表面上，有这样可怕吗？100千粒苹果压着这个表面1平方米。Yes, but why you don't feel it？ 为什么你没有感觉到这股压力的呢 ？Simple, the air pressure press on us， 它压着我们 ，and we having our body pressure， 我们的血里面有压力，对不对 ？We push back， 我们推回去，我们压它出来。So even high pressure， 我们甚至有高血压，明白吗？所以这个叫做 air pressure in the atmosphere， 大气层的气压。100,000 per square meter. Well, I know you not believe, but I'm going to make you believe 啦。我要你明白，然后相信它。OK， 相信了就不一样了，有感觉了。So if you still cannot imagine what's mean by 100,000, I convert into kg 啦。10 Newton equal to 1 kg， 10 Newton 等于1 kg， 对不对 ？So 100千 Newton 等于10千 kg。So now you sit on the floor， 你睡在路上，你叫10千 kg 的罗力，单单罗力啦，10公吨的罗力，这样子压着你，那你的 pressure 那股压力就叫 air pressure 气压，海面上的气压就是这样强的，100千粒苹果压着你。And now 你越来越不相信我了，对不对？怎么科学老师乱讲话呢 ？Okay, so to measure the atmospheric pressure, we use a barometer. 如果要量大气层的气压，我们用 barometer。如果要量那种工具里面的气压，你用 Barometer gauge。barometer 大气层的气压，手表里面也有，好像我的手表里面就有 barometer， 不过没有用过半次了。大致上差不多在这边，真的，它的答案是对的。OK。Next， 再来。So now I prepare some experiment to make you believe that air having pressure and the pressure is 100,000 per square meter。它的压力非常可怕，你随时被它压到扁扁。OK，Now 你看就可以了，你不要紧张啊。So now I prepare a glass， 准备一个杯 ，and I fill the glass with 100% of water。So I put the glass into the water 啦，我最好是把整个杯放在水里面。And I close the glass with the plastic paper， plastic transparency 啦 可能用 plastic 的 transparency 呢盖着我的杯，然后从水中呢拿出来。And now I invert the glass， 我把我的杯呢放倒反。I remove my hand， 我把我的手呢放开。So make sure the cardboard close the glass tightly and make sure no air inside， 里面不要有空气 ，just water no air。And now invert the glass， 把你的杯反过来 ，OK。Now, when you invert the glass and remove your hand， 把你的手拿掉 ，the plastic still attached to the glass， 那一块 plastic 还是粘在你的杯上面，没有掉下来。And what you feel, I know what you feel 啦。And what you understand， 为什么那个 plastic 没有掉下来呢 ？You're going to feel like this: the water inside the glass, sucking the plastic bag, sucking the plastic piece， 对不对？吸着那一块 plastic。So the plastic not fall down， 那块 plastic 呢没有掉下来，错，你的想法完全相反。So today 我要让你改变你的观点，错了，不一样。你看啊 ，So inside the water it will be less air， 少空气，外面的空气比较多。So less air, low air pressure， 空气少，里面的压力气压比较低。Okay, so when you remove your hand, higher atmospheric pressure， 大气层的气压100千粒苹果，里面没有苹果，有1-2粒苹果了，有来一些苹果了。So atmospheric pressure 100,000 Newton per square meter. The pressure on the plastic sheet， 它推着你的 plastic，So your plastic not fall down， 你的 plastic 没有掉下来，其实是被下面的空气推着 100,000 apple 100千粒苹果 they push on the plastic， 所以 plastic 才没有掉下来。不过你的想法是这样，有 water shut the plastic sheet， 对不对？吸着那一片 plastic， so the plastic should not fall down。 So 你完全想错，它是被推上去，不是被吸着。 Understand？ 明白就可以了。 Next，So high atmospheric pressure push on the cardboards, and the cardboard attached together with the glass 粘在我们的玻璃杯那边。再来一个实验 ，OK， 让你心服口服，我们才继续的走。来 ，prepare a metal tin， 准备一个铁桶 ，with hot water inside, and now I'm boiling the water. When I'm boiling the water, all the air in the water they will be boiled and become the gas, become the steam and fly away 飞走了。When the water start boiling, I close the cover tightly， 我把它的那个盖锁紧紧。Okay， so now immediately I move the metal tin go to the cool water， 我把这个铁罐呢放在冷水下面。And when I pour the cool water on the metal tin， what happened？ 砰 ！The metal tin suddenly dented， 砰！突然间扁去，砰 ！Why？ 谁压它呢？明明刚才一个好好的铁桶在滚着水，对不对？我锁紧它的盖，刚去冷水的下面，马上砰扁去。Why？ 不明白，对不对？ I show you， 为什么呢 ？So when the water is boiling, air will be lost. Okay, when the air lost, the boil become the steam, and now I close the cover. You're having some water and some gas. 你有水，你有空气，暂时对不对 ？And the pressure almost equal 了，外面里面大致上几乎都是一样多。But now you put under the cool water, all the hot steam they condense into water. 全部的热气它凝聚变成水。Or another meaning, when they become water, there will be no air inside. When there's no air inside, 当里面的空气不见了，外面的100千粒苹果砰压下去。So the tin, metal tin, dented immediately. 马上扁去 ，bam. Okay? Or not believe, you can feel it. 不相信，你感觉一下。Okay? 来了。
We heated it up so as you can see it's like turning into steam. And then we're going to quickly put this can filled with steam into the bucket of ice water, and it should crush. That's because it's going to go through a rapid phase change where the steam is going to condense quickly into water vapor, and pressure inside of the can is going to be less than the pressure from the outside, and it should crush. It should explode. Thank you. Yeah.
Tight. Twist. Twist.
That's hot. You want to hear it? I don't want to hear it.
That's fine. Squeeze.
Should I sign something?
Insurance.
I want a single. Come on, go!
Patience, patience, my child, patience.
Oh no, my God, the stopper is getting pulled in.
Yeah, I'm working a little bit.
Does that mean it didn't work?
Now, throw some water on it. Yeah. Oh no, just grab the ice, Ewan, with your hands. That is so wimpy.
Well, I'm scared that it's gonna blow up in my hands.
Wait, no.
Do it.
I think it's getting concave.
Oh yeah.
So this is what we call air pressure 100,000 Newton per square meter. OK， 1平方米的表面上100千粒苹果，嘣嘣砰。OK， set Next, so any example of air pressure 气压在哪里还有呢 ？For example, so now they say you buy a toy guns and this is a bullet， 对不对？你的子弹你就放上去。那 this is your toy guns and you insert the bullets， 你就把你的 bullets 子弹呢放进去。And now you shoot on the wall， 你就射去一个 glass wall 玻璃的墙壁。Okay, so now the rubber sheet stick on the wall， 它粘在墙壁上。Can you tell me why？ 为什么会这样子呢 ？This is air pressure， 这种情况就是气压。Okay, so when the rubber fly very fast and hit on the wall，the air inside will be pushed up. And now when the air push up, what happens? 里面的空气不进去 ，higher atmospheric air， 外面的大气层的空气 100,000 apple 100千粒苹果，They push on the small pieces of the rubber， 它推着你这样小片的橡胶嘛。And when you will try to pull it， 你要把它拔出来呢 ，you feel you cannot make it， 拔不出，对不对啊？Or when you cannot make it using your nail， 用你的指甲，你在旁边呢开一个洞给空气进去。So this is air pressure. Even the surface so small, you can feel it. 这样小的表面，它压着的时候，你都能感觉到你拔不出来了。Okay, or when you go Genting Highland or Cameron Highlands, okay, they are high altitude， 它是比较海拔高的地方，高了一点点啊，一点点罢了。1500米、1800米 Genting Highlands, okay. So when you go Genting Highlands, if you go to the 7-Eleven or any shop， 任何的店 ，you look at the Twisty Mommy， 你看他们卖的 Twisty，all the package swollen， 它的包装全部肿起来的。You know why? Okay, so when we make the twisty at the lower ground, or another meaning at the sea level 啦，在海面上做的沙兰啦、斯拉沃啦，对不对 ？Okay, they are low at altitude， 它是低海拔，压力比较高。But when you go to Genting Highland, air pressure outside become lower， 外面的压力呢，气压降低了。So high pressure inside push up， 推出来。Okay， 整包好像要爆炸这样子。So this is again the air pressure， 这个也是我们另外一种气压的 example。So there are thousands millions of examples that is related to the air pressure. So after the video， 这个 video 过后 ，or another video after you understand the air pressure， 你对整个世界的观点，你看世界的时候，你的眼睛会不一样，明白吗？ OK, so bye bye, see you in another video, bye bye.